Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to calculate the percentage discount in Excel. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Excel application, which of course I have done right here. As you know, Excel is a product of Microsoft, so the application is integrated into Microsoft. Once you have a Microsoft account, just head over to the Microsoft Store and download the Excel application. Now, once you do that, it's going to take you right here where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Excel. So now they're here, let's quickly hop into today's task, and that is how to calculate the percentage discount in Excel. So over here to this aspect of the table, that's the ABC, where we have the original price, the discounted price, and the discount. So we have the original price of $10 and we have the discounted price of $7. So we want to calculate the percentage discount for the original price and discounted price. So the original price of $10 and the discounted price of $10 is going to give us a particular percentage. So let's see how many percentage is that. To get that done, just go ahead and click on the cell that you like to calculate on. So once you click on the cell, the next thing you like to do is to click the equal sign. So once you click on this equal sign, you give Microsoft the prompt, or you give Excel the prompt that you want to enter a particular command and you like them to help you with a particular solution. So just enter the equals and you're going to write B3. So B and 3. So this is the B and this is cell 3. So that's what we want to calculate for. So that's B3 and /, then this is A3. So you're going to have to enter in A3 and click on the enter button. So we see that $10 and $7 is going to give us 70% discount. That's once you calculate the discount or the percentage for the original price and discounted price. But now that's not really what we want. We want to calculate the discount for these prices. So if you take away this discounted price, that's $7 from $10, what's going to be the amount that you're going to save on? So that's the actual discounted percentage. So if you take away 10 from 7, what's going to be the percentage that you're going to save on? Let's calculate that. So I'm going to go over here at this top and delete this formula. So we're going to enter in the new formula, and that is the equal sign and 1, then minus, all right, or let's say hyphen. This equals 1 hyphen and then the open parenthesis, then B. So we have B3 rather, and / A3, then the close parenthesis. All right, so we have that done. So we have 30. So it means 70%. That's the 70% that we got from 100%. That's what gave us this 30. So remember, we calculated the discounted, that's the discounted percentage, the percentage of $10 and $7, we get 70, right? So this is now the actual discounted amount. So 70 from 100 is going to give us this 30% by using the formula that we just used. So that's pretty much the process. That's how you can calculate the percentage discount in Excel. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.